Airbrush versus colorize.com. Now we're going to compare these two AI powered tools that focus on different aspects of image editing. Let's start with their primary function. Airbrush's primary function is AI photo editing and image generation, while colorize.com's primary function is AI photo colorization. When we look at their output type, Airbrush gives you polished portraits, product visuals, and AI-generated art, while Colorize.com gives you restored, colorized versions of black and white photos. Let's look at their ease of use. Airbrush has a one-click retouch and background removal along with AI avatars, while Colorize.com has just simply upload your grayscale photo and it will automatically color it. Now let's look at creative control. Airbrush gives you retouch, reshape, outfit changes, and background edit. While that of colorize.com is limited, it's mainly automatic color restoration. That's what it is basically. When we look at their community features, Airbrush is utility focused and is geared towards creators and professionals, while colorize.com is also utility focused but has no social sharing or community. When we look at their pricing model, Airbrush has a free plan plus paid subscription for HD and bulk editing, while colorize.com has free basic plan and a paid plan for HD downloads. And lastly, who or what are they best for? Airbrush is best for influencers, e-commerce professional headshots, and polished branding, while colorize.com is best for historians, families, activists, and anyone that wants to restore old photos. So in conclusion, let's look at their limitations and trade-offs. Airbrush is focused on editing and polish, so it is less suitable for archival restoration, and the paid plans are required for HD or bulk processing, while Colorize.com is limited to colorization only, so it lacks broader editing or creative art features. If you need professional quality edits for branding, social media, or e-commerce, Airbrush is the better choice. But if your goal is to bring old black and white photos back to life with color, Colorize.com is the tool to use. Hope you found this video helpful.